I start off by adding red and grey paints to a cup, and then whites with silica gel, before finally adding greys, reds and whites in various orders. For the first pour, I used a colander, pouring paint in before slowly lifting the colander off the canvas. I then tilted the canvas to ensure that the paint reached all corners, before finally using a blowtorch to create cells. For the second pour, I use a funnel pressed down on the canvas. I lift it from the canvas and use it to spread the paint across, before finishing with the same steps as the previous pour. Using tweezers to pop a paint bubble. The third and final pour was a use-up pour. A flip cup method was used, leaving it for 30 seconds before lifting and then tilting, using a blowtorch and removing paint bubbles with tweezers. This is my favourite of the 3 pours. I absolutely love the colours and colour combination, as well as the marble effect created.